How clever of them.
It is the counterintuitive nature of the Darwinian idea.
Right.
That things look, yes, they look designed, whether
Right.
it's that beautiful structure of the coiled nautilus or those intricate molecular machines or the chambered structure of the heart with
Right.
all its plumbing and wiring. Many things in biology look as though they were designed, but the idea is that they were produced by an undirected, unguided process that produced the appearance of design.
Right.
So they would say natural selection has the power to mimic natural selection mimics the powers of a designing intelligence, but it is not designed or guided in any way. Thus, the leading proponents of Darwinism will say that we have design without a designer. We have the appearance of design without a designer.
Is that what it's called, blind Darwinism?
Well, sometimes it's called the blind watchmaker hypothesis,
Okay.
after the title of one of Dawkins's famous books.
Okay.
And so intelligent design is challenging that, and the title, or the term intelligent design was selected intelligently, if you will, to make clear which of those three meanings of evolution we're challenging explicitly. Okay. We think that there are certain features of biological systems that were actually designed, and you can tell by examining the scientific evidence.
Okay, so just so that everyone's tracking with you and so that I'm tracking with you, I'm going to repeat back to you what you just said.
Sure.
But not tonight.
Not tonight.
Excuse me. Because I think that in the popular culture, these distinctions are never clearly made. You would get the idea that there are two theories. One theory is that we were created 11,000 years ago, and shazam, here we are. The other theory is the scientific theory that says everything happened by random forces, and that we evolved out of primordial soup, and here we are, and there is absolutely no God involved in that process. But what you're saying now, and obviously what I've read about, is that there are so many variations between those two poles. And so intelligent design, as I understand it, says that, yes, this happened. There were trilobites 4 billion years ago, and things have, quote unquote, evolved. Things have changed. Maybe I don't want to use the word evolved because it's a little bit loaded, but things have in fact changed. We can see this. We can observe this in the fossil record, basically. But blind Darwinists, neo-Darwinists, would say there is no way that could have been directed. There was no God involved in that process. They say that adamantly.
No designer or intelligent agent of any kind.